I'm with Rich and Rich.
Ricky. Yeah, Rich and Rich. He's a Ricky, I'm a Ricky.
There it is. Here at Arnold's Way, we just want to let everyone know about this coming up Sunday. $2 for each smoothies, $2 pizzas, $2 cauliflower wings. While we watch such an exciting film, The Game Changers.
Got to see The Game Changers, and it's exactly what it is, The Game Changers. Dispelling all kinds of myths that have been put into our heads all our lives about eating meat and drinking milk and eating eggs. And we're going to hear from people who are, what people traditionally think of as men who should be eating meat, but we're talking about Tennessee Titans football players. Arnold Schwarzenegger, the Terminator,
Strongest man.
He's the strongest man in the world. All people flew on
Bodybuilders.
plants or have turned over, gone to plants, letting us know just about the marketing myths that we've been, stricken with all our lives. So it definitely is a game changer. Become Arnold's Way this Sunday, 11 to 5 all day. It's just going to be on a loop, the film. So whenever you walk in, you get to see it, you get your food, you get your drink.
And then the following Saturday is a potluck, and guess who's speaking?
Who? Oh, I'm speaking. It'll be that Saturday the 19th, 6:30 to 9:30. I think I'm going to be speaking a little bit about Philadelphia Veg Fest. I'm the director there. I'm also under the moniker of the plant-based human. I'll talk a little bit about that, maybe how I got into this lifestyle, and I think a new topic that just came to me today while I was running about, do you know who you really are?
Ooh, I like that.
It's spun my world around.
I think it's one of the hardest things to do, actually. And I'm actually 30 years old and just beginning to accept myself for who I am.
Well, this even goes past that. I was working on that in self-love, and then I realized I'm not even really, it gets into me not even being per person. This is just vessel and
Gotcha.
who's commanding what and who's supposed to be in charge of this, and we'll get
spiritual.
to it. I'm just working on it. It all came in a run today and from a meditation yesterday.
Very cool. So we got a lot going on. Come see us soon. Peace out.
All right, Rick.